In this video, I'll be showing you how to add zoom effect in Canva videos. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, to create a professional zoom in effect in Canva videos, you can use a technique called a match and move transition. So instead of manually keyframing, you split your clip and enlarge the subject on the second frame, and Canva's engine automatically animates the camera movement in between. So what you're going to do is before applying the effect, you've got to isolate the exact section of the video where you want the camera to start doing. So open up your project and then drag your, your timeline playhead marker to the exact millisecond where you want the zoom in effect to start. So let's just say we want it to start right here. Then right click directly on the video clip. And then I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to see split right there. And your video is now sliced into two clean back-to-back clips. Now click on the newly created second clip to highlight it. And then all I want to do is double click directly on the video canvas to open the background cropping boundaries. So let's just say I want to click on that. And then I'm going to be in the crop section. Now grab the white corners and then I'm going to be able to zoom in like so. And then drag and reposition so I can set center. Then once I'm happy with it, go ahead and click done. Now, what you're going to do is bridge the two clips together using Canva's motion matching logic. Hover your cursor directly between your first and second clips on the timeline, and then eventually you should see like a little plus icon appear. And then once you go ahead and do that, all you got to go ahead and do is click it and then add a transition from the quick menu grid layout. And on the left side, select match and move. And then you can, adjust the timing for that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.